Good day, everyone. Today, Miss Felicity and I are going to teach you how to make pomander balls. Pomander balls are oranges or another type of citrus fruit rolled around in spices to give off a nice fragrance. And I first came across them in Felicity's American Girl Craft book, which you can get or at the library. But they also, according to the Farmer's Almanac, they go all the way back to medieval times. People used to give them as gifts, or you could use them as an ornament. I don't recommend using an orange this big as a tree ornament. It'll weigh down on the branches, but you could hang them in your closet. You could hang them on a door, and they give off a really nice smell if stored properly. So let's get started. So to start things off, if you want to use ribbon to hang your pomander somewhere, what we're going to do is we're going to take strips of tape and apply them to the orange, and we are going to peel them off. The reason why I'm doing this is so that I can mark where the ribbon's going to go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to take these whole cloves, which you can get at the grocery store in the spices section. It's usually down the baking aisle. Oh, one of them came right out. And you want to poke the holes into the orange. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line the cloves around the tape and then take the tape off so that way I know where to put the ribbon. I can already smell the orange getting mixed in with the spice. It smells really good. Okay, so as you can see, I am all done. I have lined up the cloves, and I made sure to press, you want to press them into the orange. Don't just kind of leave them hanging there. And marked the places where I want to put the ribbon. But just so you know, I'm doing this because I want to hang mine up. You don't have to do it that way. If you would like to make your pomander a centerpiece for your table, then you don't need any ribbon. You could just make a little design all over the orange with the cloves. It can be whatever you want. It could, there's, you can find different designs online. In fact, I think I'm gonna put some more cloves in here and just kind of make some little patterns. The more cloves, the better, because they help to dry the orange. So, and do it in such a way that it doesn't grow mold on it. Yeah, so I've added some more cloves to make a little pattern. And now what I'm going to do to add a little more fragrance, I'm going to add some cinnamon. I'm going to stick it on the plate here with the cloves. And I am going to roll. Actually, I'll probably just sprinkle it around a little bit. But I'll roll it around a bit too. Especially good to get it in the like the cracks and crevices between the cloves. The cinnamon acts as an antifungal agent. And there are other spices you can roll your pomander or sprinkle on your pomander too. I am going to post a link in the description to the Farmer's Almanac recipe so you can get some ideas of other spices you can add. And then what you're going to do when you're done with it is put it in a paper bag. If you want to store it for a long time, put it in a paper bag for a couple of weeks. Or else if you want to use it for like one-time use, you could just put it out right now. You're done. But if you see it starting to form mold, definitely throw it out because the mold could make you sick, and nobody wants to be sick this time of year. We got enough of that going around. All right, there we go. It's all done. So good luck, have fun making them, and if you would like to send us pictures of your Pomander ornaments, we would love to see them. Send pictures to Rehoboth Beach Library at gmail.com, and have a happy new year.